She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dawg. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan.
Hey guys, so I decided to go ahead and do a fun, beautiful, wild, sexy look. So I went ahead and I really was like, okay, Jennifer, what are you going to do with these lovely followers of yours? So I really wanted to do something very out of the box that I have not done on my channel. I've been meaning to go ahead and just really do colorful and really big bold looks like this one, but I never got into it. So I really wanted this to be about the eye makeup and nothing else more. I did go light on the blush. The highlight always has to be blinding, of course, and I did go with a orange nude lip, and I did pair this up with this beautiful Forever 21 little mustard top. So if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to share this with all your fam and your friends and everyone else who you know. And please subscribe, comment, and click that bell below if you want to get notified every single time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So yeah guys, if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Bye guys. Guys, so I'm just going to start off with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyes so we can go ahead and blend out these beautiful shades. I did not set my concealer because I do want this look to come out more pigmented. So I am using the 35B palette from Morphe, and I'm taking that neon shade that I showed you, and I'm just going ahead and I'm laying that first, so it can be a transition shade and make it gradient and soft. And you really want to make sure you blend out these colors. Make sure you don't go too heavy-handed, because when you go too heavy-handed, it can really get out of control and you'll have to start over. I am going in now with that deeper, deep. I don't know what type of color to really call it. It's kind of like an army green, and it really comes out different on the eye. It comes out like a blue green, and I'm just going to take those two shades and I'm just going to blend those two shades out and make sure that they're very smooth. Then I'm going to go ahead into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to take that other army green shade, and these two shades I noticed has a little hint of blue in it. That's why you can kind of pick up blue and green together on this makeup look. And I'm going to go ahead and take also Starcrush Minerals. I think it was Oz. I will put the number below of the mineral shadow that I did use, but I do think it is Oz. So all I'm doing is I'm packing it on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye to make sure that I get that halo effect. And then I'm taking a clean Luxie brush and I'm blending that out to make sure that it's very smooth, because you can kind of see patchiness. And that's one thing with this look that you don't want to do, is see patchiness. You just want to see very smooth colors transitioning. So as you've seen, I did take a little very tiny Luxie brush, and I did go ahead and detail that out and smoke that out, that certain part of area that I wanted to smoke out. And I'm just going back in, like I said, with that first shade to make sure that everything is blended out, everything is pigmented. And I'm going to take my Shape Tape Concealer and go ahead and carve out the middle of my eyelid, so I can make sure that my shimmer shade is very pigmented. And make sure when you're picking up your shimmer shades that you spray it with a little of setting spray or, you know, hydrating spray, whichever you prefer. So it can become very, very, very pigmented on your eye like a duochrome shadow. Now, when you're doing a halo eye, make sure that you blend out your first shade that you put down before your shimmer shade, and go ahead and go back in with that and blend that into your shimmer shade so you won't have any harsh lines. Now I'm going ahead and going in with the NYX glitter liner. Now when it comes to my face products, you know how I do this. I literally do this in almost every video that I have posted. And if you really do want to see an updated foundation routine, just go ahead and comment so I can go ahead and do that for you guys, because I know it has been a couple months since I did a foundation routine and I have changed some stuff around. And if you want to know the foundation that I have been loving and been using, like I said in my previous video of Best of 2017, it is the BarePro by BareMinerals. It is my favorite foundation right now. So the same thing that I did on my top of my eyes, I did on the bottom, and I added that second shade and that first shade, and I just made sure that I really blended that out. And I did add mascara, Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal. Now with this, as you see, it was 2 different lip shades. I did go ahead and switch up the lip shade to Starfish by Anastasia, because that first shade just wasn't working. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button to be reminded every single time that I upload.
For them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't. Hey.
7 p.m.